and air filter. What are their differences? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, we're looking at the engine air filter and cabin air filters, their differences, the common frequently asked questions about both of them, and finally the common sign that will come up when either one of them goes bad. So with that, let's get started, and we're starting off with the first question, which is the cabin filter the same as the air filter? No, cabin air filters and engine air filters are not the same, although they both play a very essential role in keeping your car clean and functioning optimally. So now, let's look at the difference between air filters and cabin air filters in a vehicle. So what are the differences between an air filter and a cabin air filter? So as I said earlier, both the cabin air filters and engine air filters play vital roles in keeping your car clean and running smoothly, but they target different areas. Cabin air filter. Where is the cabin air filter located? The cabin air filters can be found inside the car's ventilation system, typically behind the glove box or under the car dashboard. The cabin air filter prevents dust, pollen, allergens, smoke, and other airborne contaminants from entering the passenger compartment through the ventilation system. This provides cleaner air for you and your passengers to breathe, especially beneficial for allergy sufferers. How often to change the cabin air filter? Well, cabin air filters typically will need to be replaced more frequently than engine air filters, usually every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, which is 19,000 to 24,000 kilometers, or once a year depending on your driving conditions. So are all cabin air filters the same? Well, the answer is no. Cabin air filters are not all the same, though they all have or serve the same function in a car, which is to trap dust, pollen, and allergens. There are key variations from different car brands and models. Here are some of the common variations you may notice. 1. Size and shape. First and foremost, cabin filters come in various sizes and shapes to fit specific car models, which could range from rectangular shape, square, rounded rectangle, to trapezoid, which is less common. 2. Filtration levels. There are basic and premium cabin air filters available on the market. The basic filters focus on dust and allergens, while premium options offer additional filtration for pollutants or even have activated carbon for odor control. 3. Material. Most basic cabin air filters are made with paper or synthetic fibers. However, there are some high-performance filters that are made with washable cloth materials. So no, cabin air filters are not all the same, and this applies to air filters as well. Let's now take a look at engine air filters, comparing them to cabin air filters. Where is the engine air filter located? Situated inside the engine compartment, usually within an air cleaner housing near the front of the engine. The engine air filter prevents dirt, dust, sand, and other debris from entering the engine through the air intake system. Clean air is crucial for optimal engine performance and prevents premature wear and tear on internal components and parts. How often to change engine air filter? Engine air filters generally need to be replaced every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. This is equivalent to 24,000 to 48,000 kilometers, depending on your driving environment. Dusty roads or frequent off-roading may require more frequent changes. Are all engine air filters the same? Of course not. Engine air filters are not all the same, even though their core purpose of filtering debris from entering the engine is universal. Here's a breakdown of the key variations you might encounter. Size and shape. Similar to cabin air filters, engine air filters come in various shapes and sizes to fit the specific design of the air intake system in different car models. There's no universal size, so you'll need to find one compatible with your car. Consult your owner's manual or search online with your vehicle information for the correct fit. Filtration levels. Standard filters. These are typically made of paper and are effective at capturing common contaminants like dust, dirt, and pollen. They offer a balance between affordability and performance. High-performance filters. These might use advanced materials like synthetic fibers or even oiled cotton gauze for better filtration efficiency. They can trap finer particles and offer improved airflow in some cases. However, they may be more expensive and require cleaning or replacement more frequently. What are the signs of a clogged cabin air filter versus that of an engine air filter? A clogged cabin air filter and a clogged engine air filter can cause some similar issues, but they will also have some unique signs that can help you pinpoint which one is affected. Here's a breakdown of the symptoms for each. Sign of a clogged cabin. Air filter. Reduced airflow. This is a common sign. You might notice weaker airflow coming out of the vents on your car's dashboard, even when the fan is turned up high. Unpleasant odors. A clogged cabin air filter can trap odors like smoke, dust, and even mold within the ventilation system, leading to unpleasant smells inside the car. Increased dust and allergies. If the filter isn't capturing dust and pollen effectively, you might notice more dust particles circulating inside the car and increased allergy symptoms for passengers. Foggy windows. Reduced airflow due to a clogged filter can contribute to fogging up of windows, especially during humid or cold weather. Signs of clogged engine air filter. Reduced engine performance. A dirty engine air filter restricts clean air intake, which can lead to a decrease in engine power and acceleration. Increased fuel consumption. The engine might struggle to maintain the optimal air-fuel mixture with a clogged filter, resulting in lower fuel efficiency. Rough idling. In some cases, a clogged engine air filter can cause the engine to idle rough or erratically. Check engine light. Modern cars might illuminate the check engine light when the engine computer detects issues related to airflow or air-fuel mixture, potentially caused by a clogged filter. So there you have it, guys. With this video, I am sure you are better equipped to keep your vehicle running smoothly and ensure a clean and comfortable cabin environment for you and your passengers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for our next video.